For healing duodenal ulcer, the usual duration of H2 blocker therapy is 8 weeks. What is true of acid control therapy with H2 blockers? It generally heals duodenal ulcers faster than gastric ulcers. In the intact animal, H2 receptor antagonist potentiate the following action of histamine: bronchospasm. Gynecomastia can occur as a side effect of cimetidine. Which histamine H2 blocker has most marked inhibitory effect on microsomal cytochrome P450 enzyme? Cimetidine. Choose the correct statement about H2 receptor blockers. They prevent stress ulcers in the stomach. Ranitidine differs from cimetidine in the following respect: it does not have anti-androgenic action. Compared to H2 blockers, omeprazole affords the following: faster relief of ulcer pain, faster healing of duodenal ulcer, higher efficacy in healing reflux esophagitis. Choose the drug which blocks basal as well as stimulated gastric acid secretion without affecting cholinergic, histaminergic or gastrin receptors. Omeprazole. Omeprazole exerts practically no other action except inhibition of gastric acid secretion because it transforms into the active cationic forms only in the acidic pH of the gastric juice. Its active forms have selective affinity for the hydrogen potassium ATPase located in the apical canaliculi of gastric parietal cells. Its cationic forms are unable to diffuse out of from this gastric parietal cell canaliculi. The most efficacious drug for inhibiting round the clock gastric acid output is omeprazole. The following is true of proton pump inhibitors except their prolonged use can cause atrophy of gastric mucosa. The first choice drug for non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug associated gastric ulcer is omeprazole. Select the drug which is an inhibitor of gastric mucosal proton pump, lansoprazole. The following class of gastric anti-secretory drug also reduce gastric motility and have primary effect on juice volume with less marked effect on acid and pepsin content. Anticholinergics. The primary mechanism by which prostaglandins promote ulcer healing is augmentation of bicarbonate buffered mucus layer covering gastroduodenal mucosa. Choose the anti-ulcer drug that inhibits gastric acid secretion, stimulates gastric mucus and bicarbonate secretion and has cytoprotective action on gastric mucosa. Misoprostol. The following statement is true about misoprostol. It heals non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug-induced gastric ulcer not responding to H2 blockers. The acid neutralizing capacity of an antacid is governed by the equivalent weight of the antacid and the rate at which the antacid reacts with HCl. As an antacid, sodium bicarbonate has the following disadvantages except it has low acid neutralizing capacity. The following is true of aluminum hydroxyl gel except it causes loose motions as a side effect. Choose the correct statement about megalrate. It has rapid as well as sustained acid neutralizing action. Antacid combinations of magnesium and aluminum salts are superior to single component preparations because they have rapid as well as sustained acid neutralizing action. They are less likely to affect gastric emptying and they are less likely to alter bowel movement. In peptic ulcer, antacids are now primarily used for prompt pain relief. Sucralfate promotes healing of duodenal ulcer by coating the ulcer and preventing the action of acid pepsin on ulcer base. Antacids administered concurrently reduces the efficacy of the following antipeptic ulcer drug: sucralfate. The following anti-ulcer drug does not act by reducing the secretion of or neutralizing gastric acid: Sucralfate. The most important drawback of sucralfate in the treatment of duodenal ulcer is need for taking a big tablet for 4 times a day. Choose the correct statement about colloidal bismuth subcitrate. It causes prolonged neutralization of gastric acid. It has anti-H. pylori activity. It relieves peptic ulcer pain promptly. Eradication of H. pylori along with gastric anti-secretory drugs affords the following benefits: faster ulcer healing and reduced chance of ulcer relapse. The drugs employed for anti-H. pylori therapy include the following except ciprofloxacin. The following is true of anti-H. pylori therapy except it is indicated in all patients of peptic ulcer. The preferred regimen for preventing duodenal ulcer relapse is maintenance H2 blocker regimen. The most dependable emetic used to expel ingested poisons is intramuscular apomorphine. In a conscious patient of poisoning, use of an emetic is permissible in case the ingested poison is ferrous sulfate. The most effective anti-motion sickness drug available for short brisk journeys is hyoscine. In case of hill journey, anti-motion sickness drugs are best administered at 1 hour before commencing journey. Chlorpromazine and its congeners suppress vomiting of following etiologies except motion sickness. Choose the phenothiazine compound which has selective labyrinthine suppressant action, is used for vomiting and vertigo but not in schizophrenia. Prochlorperazine. Metoclopramide has the following actions except increases tone of pyloric sphincter. Metoclopramide blocks apomorphine-induced vomiting, produces muscle dystonias and increases prolactin release, indicates that it has antidopaminergic action. Activation of the following type of receptors present on myenteric neurons by metoclopramide is primarily responsible for enhanced acetylcholine release, improving gastric motility. Serotonergic 5-HT4. Select the prokinetic antiemetic drug which at relatively higher doses blocks both dopamine D2 as well as 5-HT3 receptors and enhances acetylcholine release from myenteric neurons. Metoclopramide. Which prokinetic drug produces extrapyramidal side effects? Metoclopramide. The progastrokinetic action of the following drug is attenuated by atropine, metoclopramide and cisapride. A patient returning from dinner party meets with road accident and has to be urgently operated upon under general anesthesia. Which drug can be injected intramuscularly to hasten his gastric emptying? Metoclopramide. Select the correct statement regarding the antiemetic efficacy of the three prokinetic drugs metoclopramide, domperidone and cisapride. Metoclopramide is the most effective. Which antiemetic selectively blocks levodopa-induced vomiting without blocking its anti-Parkinsonism action? Domperidone. The following prokinetic drug has been implicated in causing serious ventricular arrhythmias, particularly in patients concurrently receiving erythromycin or ketoconazole. Cisapride. Indicate the drug which does not improve lower esophageal sphincter tone or prevent gastroesophageal reflux but is used as first-line treatment of gastroesophageal reflux disease. Omeprazole. Select the drug which affords relief in gastroesophageal reflux by increasing lower esophageal sphincter tone and promoting gastric emptying but without affecting acidity of gastric contents. Metoclopramide and cisapride. The fastest symptomatic relief as well as highest healing rates in reflux esophagitis are obtained with proton pump inhibitors. Prokinetic drugs serve the following purposes in gastroesophageal reflux disease: reduces reflux of gastric contents into esophagus. Cisapride enhances gastrointestinal motility by activating serotonin 5-HT4 receptors. The most effective antiemetic for controlling cisplatin-induced vomiting is ondansetron. Select the antiemetic that prevents activation of emetogenic afferents in the gut and their central relay in chemoreceptor trigger zone or nucleus tractus solitarius, but has no effect on gastric motility, that is ondansetron. Granisetron is an antiemetic for cancer therapy. Ondansetron is effective in the following types of vomiting, that is cisplatin induced vomiting, radiotherapy induced, and post-operative. Ondansetron blocks emetogenic impulses at the following sites: vagal afferents in intestines, nucleus tractus solitarius, chemoreceptor trigger zone. Choose the correct statement about ondansetron. It suppresses post-operative nausea and vomiting. Cancer chemotherapy induced vomiting that is not controlled by metoclopramide alone can be suppressed by combining it with dexamethasone. Prolonged treatment with the following drug can promote dissolution of gallstones if the gallbladder is functional. Ursodeoxycholic acid. Irrespective of the type, all laxatives exert the following action: increase the water content of feces. Used as a laxative, liquid paraffin has the following drawbacks except it causes griping. A 70-year-old patient presented with weakness, tiredness, and muscle cramps. The ECG showed QT prolongation, flattening of T wave, and occasional AV block. His serum potassium was low. He admitted taking a laxative every day for the past several months. Which laxative could be responsible for the above condition? Bisacodyl. A patient presented with abdominal pain and frequent unsatisfactory bowel movement. For the last 1 year, he has been using a purgative twice weekly to open his bowel. On colonoscopy, the colon was found to be atonic with bluish pigmentation of the mucosa, which is the most likely purgative that the patient has been using. Senna. Which of the following purgatives undergoes enterohepatic circulation to produce prolonged action? Phenylephthalin. The following purgative stimulates intestinal motility independent of its action on mucosal fluid dynamics. Senna. Choose the correct statement about lactulose. It is an osmotic laxative that produces soft but formed stools. The following laxatives lowers blood ammonia level in hepatic encephalopathy, that is lactulose. Select the purgative that should not be taken at bedtime. Magnesium sulfate. Stimulant purgatives are contraindicated in the following: spastic constipation. The most suitable laxative for a patient of irritable bowel disease with spastic constipation is dietary fiber. The success of oral rehydration therapy of diarrhea depends upon the following process in the intestinal mucosa: glucose coupled sodium absorption. For optimum rehydration, the molar concentration of glucose in ORS should be equal to or somewhat higher than the molar concentration of sodium. Cyclic nucleotides exert the following action on salt transport across intestinal mucosal cells. Both cyclic AMP and cyclic GNP enhance chloride and bicarbonate secretion. The concentration of sodium ions in the standard WHO oral rehydration solution is 90 millimoles per liter. The new formula WHO ORS differs from the older standard formula WHO ORS in the following respect: it has lower sodium ion and glucose concentration. The following is true of new formula WHO ORS. It has sodium ion concentration of 75 millimole per liter Its glucose concentration is 75 millimole per liter and its total osmolarity is 245 milliosmoles per liter. The electrolyte composition of standard WHO oral rehydration solution is based upon that of cholera stools in children. Institution of oral rehydration therapy has the following beneficial effects in diarrhea. Restores hydration and electrolyte balance without affecting diarrhea. Apart from diarrhea, oral rehydration solution has been employed in burn cases and heat stroke. An adult patient of acute diarrhea presents with abdominal pain, fever, mucus and blood in stools and is suspected to be suffering from Shigella enteritis. What antimicrobial treatment would be most appropriate? Norfloxacin. Antimicrobial treatment does not alter the course of the following diarrheas except Campylobacter diarrhea. The following diarrhea is consistently benefited by antimicrobial therapy, that is cholera. The therapeutic effect of sulfasalazine in ulcerative colitis is exerted by breakdown of the drug in colon to release 5-aminosulfasalicylic acid which suppresses inflammation locally. The primary role of sulfasalazine in ulcerative colitis is maintenance of remission. The preferred drug for controlling an acute exacerbation of ulcerative colitis is prednisolone. The following are true of mesilazine. It exerts mainly local anti-inflammatory action in the lower gut and it can be administered as a retention enema. To be effective in ulcerative colitis, 5-aminosalicylic acid has to be given as either a retention enema, a complex of two molecules joined together by azo bond, or by acrylic polymer coated tablet which releases the drug only in the lower bowel. Mesilazine differs from sulfasalazine in that it produces less adverse effect and it has no therapeutic effect in rheumatoid arthritis. A 3-year-old child was given one tablet 3 times a day to control loose motions. The diarrhea stopped, but next day the child was brought in a toxic condition with abdominal distension and vomiting. He had paralytic ileus, mild dehydration, low blood pressure, and sluggish reflexes. Which antidiarrheal drug could have caused this condition? Loperamide. A small amount of atropine is added to the diphenoxylate tablet or syrup to discourage overdose and abuse of diphenoxylate. The opioid antidiarrheal drugs act by the following mechanism. They inhibit intestinal peristalsis. Choose the correct statement about the role of opioid antimotility drugs in the management of diarrhea. They should be used only as a short-term measure after ensuring that enteroinvasive organisms are not involved. The following is true of loperamide except it is absorbed from intestines and exerts centrally mediated antidiarrheal action.